Sargassum. It isn't just a floating eyesore. This clump of algae is a key player in the delicate balance of our ocean and coastal ecosystems. Think of sargassum as a bustling underwater metropolis. From tiny fish to majestic turtles, it provides food, shelter, and even breeding grounds for countless marine species. So what's all the fuss about? I'm Brian LaPointe, research professor at FAU Harbor Branch, and I'm here to discuss the untold story of Florida's sargassum seaweed invasion. Massive amounts of sargassum from the tropical Atlantic Ocean, known as the Great Atlantic Sargassum Belt, has caused significant disruptions to both ecosystems and economies, particularly in the Caribbean region. When sargassum washes ashore in excessive amounts, its decomposition releases hydrogen sulfide and ammonia, posing health risks to humans and the environment. So how do we manage this seaweed without evicting its underwater residents? It starts with turning a problem into a solution. Sargassum isn't just a hotspot for marine life, it's a global change warrior in disguise, absorbing nutrients and carbon dioxide, keeping our oceans healthy. By using cutting-edge satellite technology, drones, and environmental monitoring equipment, we're able to study sargassum's movements and behavior, uncovering its secrets one mat at a time. By understanding how those mats form and grow, we can manage them sustainably, protecting wildlife while preserving coastal ecosystems and beaches. From biofuels to fertilizers to bioplastics, we're finding innovative ways to use sargassum for good.